Oh, look, buddy, it'll be alright. Just think of all the fond memories you both share together. It'll make you feel so much better. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, man, just think of all the good times. Don't think about like the fact that you'll never see him again, that he's gone forever. Oops, my bad.
Hey, how about you tell us a story about your friend? That should make you feel better.
Yes, please do. Okay, I'll tell you about my friend. My favorite friend. My most beloved friend.
In the beginning was the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Then the Word became human. My friend Jesus had many titles, for everyone saw him different, but I called him my friend. He performed many miracles and signs, but controversy always followed him. When he was younger, he performed his first miracle. That was turning water into wine at a wedding. When he grew older, trouble continued to follow him. Once he said that if the temple was destroyed, he'd rebuild it in 3 days, but he was speaking figuratively, but no one really knew that. Israel hated Jesus, and Jesus knew it. So when he went to talk to a rabbi, he explained that Israel didn't need another teacher, but they needed a new heart. And you know what? He was also a friend to all. One time, a Samaritan woman who wasn't a Jew was with Jesus at a well, and he told her that he had water that gives eternal life and that she can have it. He proved his loyalty by healing on the Sabbath and feeding large groups. But once he told them that he was the bread of life and to eat of him, people took it very literally and got mad at him and stopped following him. But yet and still, he continued to preach the good news. Jesus was a good friend, and he had a good friend whose name was Lazarus. And one day, word came back that Lazarus had gotten really sick, and despite all the odds, Jesus went to Jerusalem and raised his friend from the dead.
Wow, Jesus did all of that?
Sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Well, what do you think? I mean, well, honestly, he doesn't sound bad, this Jesus, but even if all of this is true, how does this apply for people like me? I mean, the bad guys. Are you serious right now? I mean, dude, Jesus died for people like you. I mean, them. Wait, what?